Before Janhvi Kapoor became a Gen Z Bollywood star, she was just an adorable little girl in pigtails, unknowingly sharing the stage with none other than Shah Rukh Khan. A fan favorite clip from 2003 is going viral again, and it's pure gold. The video shows little Janhvi, dressed in a cute outfit, walking on stage with her father, Boney Kapoor, and actress Preeti Zinta to present the Best Actor award. With her tiny voice, Janhvi sweetly greets the audience. Good evening. Then came the big moment. Shah Rukh Khan was announced the winner for Devdas. With her hair in neat braids, Janhvi clutched her dad's hand as they made their way to the stage. Boney gently encouraged her to greet the crowd again. Lifting her up, Boney let his daughter help announce the winner. With big smiles, Janhvi, Boney, and Preeti Zinta joyfully said, Shah Rukh Khan. As SRK stepped on stage, he greeted little Janhvi with a warm kiss on the cheek. She looked around the stage curiously, while her father handed over the trophy. It was a picture-perfect moment, one filled with joy, innocence, and Bollywood magic. Shah Rukh also took a moment to reflect on the honor of playing Devdas, originally portrayed by the legendary Dilip Kumar in the 1955 classic. Fast forward 22 years, Shah Rukh Khan is now working on his next mega film King, starring his daughter Suhana Khan and Deepika Padukone. Meanwhile, Janhvi Kapoor is all grown up and blazing her own trail. She'll soon be seen in Param Sundari with Siddharth Malhotra and Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari opposite Varun Dhawan. And rumor has it, she may join Atli and Allu Arjun in their big upcoming project. From a shy little girl on stage to a rising star, Janhvi Kapoor's journey is a full-circle Bollywood moment we'll never forget. Bollywood's favorite couple, Akshay Kumar and Twinkle Khanna, were recently spotted enjoying Day 5 of the third Test match between India and England at the iconic Lord's Cricket Ground in London. Dressed stylishly in shades of pink, the duo looked relaxed and cheerful. Akshay, sporting a rugged salt and pepper look, was seen chatting with none other than former India coach and veteran commentator Ravi Shastri. Photos and videos of the trio quickly went viral, with fans praising Akshay's stylish appearance. One user wrote, Akshay Kumar has proved that age is just a number as he looks 40 even at the age of 57. But not everyone was talking just about the actor's look. After England defeated India by 22 runs, the internet brought back an old superstition that Akshay Kumar is a bad luck charm at cricket matches. One tweet said, India has lost the match whenever this Akshay Kumar came to support India. Another joked, India didn't win a single cricket match where Akshay Kumar is present at the stadium, Panoti. And while fans had fun with the superstition, some even speculated that Akshay was there for research. One viral tweet read, if Jadeja wins this match for India, Akshay Kumar is set to play the lead role in his biopic. On the work front, Akshay was last seen in the action fantasy Kannap alongside Mohanlal, Vishnu Manchu, and Prabhas. He's now set to star in Priyadarshan's horror comedy Bhoot Bangla with Vamika Gabbi and Paresh Rawal. And that's not all. Jolly LLB 3, Hera Fairy 4, and Welcome to the Jungle are all on the way. Whether it's at the stadium or on screen, Akshay Kumar continues to steal the spotlight with style, superstition, and star power. Parag Tyagi is going through a loss that's hard to put into words. The actor is mourning the untimely passing of his beloved wife, Shefali Zariwala, who passed away last week, leaving behind a wave of heartbreak. Shefali, who rose to fame with the iconic song Kanta Laga, was a beloved figure in the entertainment industry. Known for her vibrant personality and on-screen charm, her passing has left fans and loved ones in deep sorrow. Recently, Parag took to Instagram to share a heart-touching tribute in memory of Shefali. In a series of poolside photos filled with laughter and affection, he remembered the joyful moments they spent together. In one of the pictures, Shefali is seen laughing and full of energy, wearing a colorful swimsuit while sitting in the water as Parag playfully holds her up. In another frame, she clings to the pool's edge with a dramatic expression, while Parag smiles behind her, gently pulling her through the water. Parag captioned the post, "Masti khor meri gundi, bas aise hi masti karte rehna jahan bhi ho aap." This isn't the first time Parag has opened up about his immense grief. Last week, he penned a heartfelt note expressing how much he misses Shefali. He reflected on her personality and the deeper qualities that define her beyond her public image. She was fire-wrapped in grace, sharp, focused, and fiercely driven. A woman who lived with intention, nurturing her career, her mind, her body, and her soul with quiet strength and unwavering determination, he wrote. He further remembered her for her compassion and the way she cared for everyone around her. Shefali was love in its most selfless form. She was sabki maa, always putting others first, a generous daughter, a devoted and affectionate wife, and a wonderful mom to Simba, a protective and guiding sister and Masi, a fiercely loyal friend who stood by those she loved with courage and compassion. Shefali Zariwala made a lasting impact on the hearts of many. From her breakout in Kanta Laga to her memorable appearances on reality TV alongside Parag, her warmth, spirit, and love continue to live on. She will always be remembered with love. Trouble seems to be mounting for comedian Samay Raina and a few other popular comedians. The Supreme Court of India has issued formal summons to Samay Raina, Nishant Jagdish Tamwar, Sonali Thakkar, Vipul Goyal, and Balraj Paramjeet Singh Ghai. They have been called for their personal appearance in a case related to allegedly mocking persons with disabilities through their comedy content. The summons has sparked widespread debate about where comedy should draw the line, especially when it comes to sensitivity toward differently abled communities. According to reliable sources, the case focuses on online content accountability and the limits of free speech. The Supreme Court is examining the role of digital influencers and comedians who hold massive followings and influence public opinion. This case raises important questions about the responsibility of online personalities, the regulation of digital platforms, and how satire can be balanced with respect for all communities. The Apex Court's decision will be closely watched as it could set new standards for comedy and online content in India. As the legal proceedings unfold, many are waiting to see how India's laws will define the boundaries between humor, freedom of expression, and respect for all. This comes shortly after the recent controversy involving Samay Raina on India's Got Talent, adding to the ongoing debate about accountability in entertainment and digital content. Is K-pop star Jackson Wang dating Bollywood actress Disha Patani? The internet has been buzzing, but the Magic Man hitmaker has finally set the record straight. During a recent appearance on the Kapil Sharma show, Jackson addressed the rumors head-on. When host Kapil Sharma asked about his close friendship with Disha, Jackson was quick to respond, "We are only friends." For those who missed it, Disha Patani played host when Jackson visited India for Lollapalooza 2023. The duo was seen touring Mumbai, enjoying local sights, and having a blast. A video of their fun-filled city adventure quickly went viral, sparking dating rumors online. But as Jackson clarified, their bond is nothing more than a warm friendship. On the Bare Biceps podcast, Jackson also revealed that he's currently single and in no rush to find love. One moment from the Kapil Sharma show had fans a little confused. When Kapil mentioned Jackson's growing Indian fanbase, especially among younger crowds, Jackson joked, "People in Indian clubs didn't recognize me, they just asked for signatures for a friend." Then came the line that stirred social media. "Maybe this is my last visit to India. I'm so sad." Longtime fans took it as classic Jackson humor, but newer fans were unsure. Luckily, his cheeky personality and playful tone reassured most that he was just joking, as always. Earlier this year, Jackson teamed up with Punjabi superstar Diljit Dosanjh on the track Buck, thrilling fans with the unexpected collab. And with Magic Man 2 on the way, Jackson's focus remains firmly on his music and on building bridges across cultures. So no, Jackson Wang and Disha Patani aren't dating. But their friendship, music, and charm, that's definitely something fans can still celebrate.